Need tools? We've got you covered. Go to ChromebookParts.com or click on the link below to pick up this sleek, portable toolkit. Flip the device over and unscrew 6 captive screws from the bottom cover. The circled screw here should actually raise the bottom cover up from the palm rest, giving you a spot to easily insert the opener pick. Gently insert that opener pick between the bottom cover and the palm rest and slide along the edges to pop the bottom cover free. Gently pull back to unplug the battery from the motherboard. Peel back the tape and unplug the LCD cable from the motherboard. Remove 6 4mm screws from the hinges. Lift the palm rest partway up and gently wiggle it free from the LCD assembly. Slide the trim piece to unlock it from its slots, and remove the trim piece. Gently insert the opener pick between the bezel and the back cover, and slide along the edges to pop the bezel free. The screen is held onto the back cover by 2 strips of adhesive tape. Using the tweezers, grab the ends of the adhesive tape and gently pull back to remove the adhesive tape from underneath. Take care not to use too much force, as you don't want the tape to snap off underneath the panel. Keep pulling until you've removed all the tape from both sides. When you've removed the tape, flip the panel over and lay it down. Peel back the tape, flip open the locking clip, and unplug the LCD cable from the LCD panel. Plug the LCD cable into the new panel and reapply the tape. Using double-sided adhesive tape, cut 2 strips and lay them down on each side of the back cover as shown. Once you've laid strips on both sides, remove the plastic covering. Lay the panel back into place using the guides along the sides and top. And gently push down to secure it to the adhesive tape. Make sure you get all your cables out from underneath it. Replace the bezel onto the 4 bezel pegs. Then gently push down around the edges to snap the rest of the bezel back into place. Replace the trim piece and slide it to lock it back into place. Replace the palm rest back onto the LCD assembly and be sure to slide the lip underneath the hinge. Replace the 6 4mm screws back into the hinges. Reseat the LCD cable into its groove and plug it back into the motherboard. Plug the battery back into the motherboard. Replace the bottom cover and push down to snap it back into place. Tighten the 6 captive screws in the bottom cover.